Ready to turn your still photos into captivating moving stories? Let's dive into Veo 3's image-to-video feature, a simple yet powerful tool for breathing life into your images. First, locate the image-to-video button on the main dashboard and give it a click. This will open up the image upload interface. Now, it's time to select your images. You can upload multiple images at once from your computer. Once uploaded, they'll appear as thumbnails, ready for you to arrange. Drag and drop the thumbnails to arrange them in the order you want them to appear in your video. Experiment with different transition effects from the drop-down menu to add a polished touch. Customize the duration each image stays on screen. Using the slider control, you can also add a music track to further set the mood of your video by selecting from the audio library. Once you're happy with your arrangement, transitions, and music, click the Generate Video button. Veo 3 will then process your images into a dynamic video. You can preview your video to make sure everything looks perfect before the final save. When you're satisfied, simply click the Download button to save your new image-to-video masterpiece to your computer. And that's it. You've just transformed static images into a compelling video. Get creative and unleash the power of visual storytelling with Veo 3.